of our movie,
Shark, you
Longboarders
just
United.
clipped
Right
me.
now we are filming the final scene.
Hey, come on, cameraman, move, hustle.
I'm trying.
This is the finish line, baby.
I'm gonna rear-end you.
You better not hit my board, you dumb pansy. Alright guys, this is the boards that we're using. Our channel right here. Own sticker, Longboarders United. Alright, let's go.
Alright, well, here's mine.
We're going to show you some of our cruising moves for behind the scenes. Let's go. I know it looks like we're going slower. You're actually kind of going fast. You know the guy shake? Thanks for watching our behind the scenes.